May 13, 2019. Over the icy waters of George Inlet, Alaska, two sightseeing planes carried tourists eager to witness the breathtaking beauty of misty fjords. But within seconds, this dream voyage turns into one of the most tragic mid-air collisions in Alaska's aviation history. The first aircraft was a de Havilland DHC-2 Beaver, operated by Mountain Air Service. Its pilot, Randy Sullivan, 46 years old, was highly experienced, over 11,000 hours in the skies. The second was a larger de Havilland DHC-3 Turbine Otter, operated by Taquan Air, flown by 60-year-old Lubeck, a veteran with 25,000 flight hours. Both aircraft departed to show passengers the natural wonders of Misty Fjords National Monument. Each was under visual flight rules, meaning the pilots themselves were responsible for avoiding other aircraft. On board were passengers from the cruise ship Royal Princess, excited for an unforgettable Alaskan adventure. The Beaver climbed steadily at 3,350 feet. The Otter descended from 3,700 feet at 126 knots. Neither pilot saw the other in time. Structures of their cockpits, window posts, and even passengers blocked their line of sight. At exactly 12:21 p.m., the inevitable happened. A flash of white, a desperate cry from a passenger, "Pull up!" and then impact. The two aircraft collided violently. The smaller Beaver shattered instantly in midair, scattering debris across a 2,000-foot field. All five aboard were killed instantly. The Otter was badly damaged. Its windshield shattered, the left rear door ripped away. Nose pitched downward at a terrifying angle. But Captain Lubeck fought to keep control. With extraordinary skill, he managed a forced landing on the waters of George Inlet. Upon impact, the floats tore off. The aircraft shuddered violently, and water rushed into the cabin. The pilot, bloodied and dazed, opened a rear door to free passengers. Local boaters raced to the scene, pulling survivors from the sinking wreckage. 9 were seriously injured. One passenger, seated in the front, did not survive. The tragedy rocked Alaska. Mountain Air Service ceased operations immediately, having lost its only plane and sole pilot. Just a week later, another fatal crash involving Taquan Air forced authorities to intensify scrutiny over Alaska's air tour industry. The National Transportation Safety Board investigated for nearly 2 years. Their conclusion? The see and avoid principle had failed. Neither pilot had sufficient visibility, and both aircraft's automatic dependent surveillance broadcast systems, ADSB, failed to warn of the impending collision. Investigators revealed a troubling chain of failures. The DHC-3's audio alert had been disabled by an equipment change. Its altitude broadcasting feature was off due to a missed checklist item. The DHC-2's warning system did not trigger without that altitude data. In short, technology that could have saved lives had been silenced. The NTSB urged the FAA to require safety management systems for all operators, to enforce better pre-flight procedures, and to enhance ADSB software so that warnings activate even when altitude signals are missing. These were hard-learned lessons from lives lost too soon. In the pristine skies of Alaska, where beauty meets danger, safety is never guaranteed. The 2019 George Inlet tragedy stands as a reminder that in aviation, even the smallest oversight, a switch left off, a warning disabled, can mean the difference between life and death. From the bustling skies to the unseen dangers that lurk within, every flight carries a story. Some end in triumph, others in tragedy. The tale of these two planes in Alaska reminds us how fragile life can be and how important every moment truly is. If you found this journey compelling, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CurioCore, where history, aviation, and untold stories come alive. Until next time, stay curious.